Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah and I'm a domestic cleaner Monday to Friday, including a few Saturdays. I've had a YouTube channel for about 3 years now, and by the weekend it's time to get my house in order, from the kitchen to the fridge to the pantry to the dining table, the porch, doing laundry, my bedroom, the landing, and of course the bathroom, to decluttering the kitchen cabinets. So why don't you grab yourself a drink? I'm going to take my marvellously messy house into a nice, clean, tidy home. So let's do this. This is my fridge, and that's my new syrup. That's the door of my fridge. Those eggs are new. But yeah, as I say, that's the old syrup I need to sort. Oh, and also the tomato purees here have also been leaking. So yes, that's a job I need to sort out. Next, just set yourself a timer, whether it's for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes or 30 minutes or even a whole hour. Just set yourself a little timer, and then once you've done the allotted time, then that's it. I'm setting this for 30 minutes. Let's do this. Now, if you've seen my channel for a while, you will know I got a new fridge freezer last year. And well, it's a little taller than I am, so I have to use my step stool. So first off, I'm going to remove everything from that top shelf. Oh, and there's no need to go to the gym when you're going up and down a step stool. Great workout, Hannah. Now it's time to sort out everything that came off that top shelf and see what's in date and what's out of date. Anything that goes to the right is out of date, and anything that goes to the left is in date. Out of date, November. Don't know why that was up there, but yeah. That's the top shelf done. Only took me 10 minutes. And now for the second shelf. Let's do this. And as I clear each shelf, I am going along and wiping them over. So, these yogurts are new. I got them the other day, they expire in March. These yogurts are also new. Unfortunately, I can't stack them like that in the fridge, so they have to be loose, so I know they are fine. We've got now about another 10 minutes after doing this for half an hour. So, and that's 2 and a bit shelves. See? Time goes really fast. Right, let's do this shelf, and then that shelf, and then the bottom. That's so yummy, it really is. Right, bottom shelf. So that's the whole of that section done, and I had 3 minutes and 22 seconds left on the timer. See? So now I'm going to start the door of the fridge, but first a sip of my drink. Now I did go through these the other day and I do need to meal plan, so actually I'm going to leave these and put that back in because I'm going to meal plan in a bit. So I had about 1 minute left on my old timer, but I've spent about half an hour so far on just the main part of the fridge. Yes, I am going a bit slow because I did hurt my back yesterday. I had back spasms. Anyway, I'm going to do another half an hour on my fridge and then I think that'll be my fridge done. Now I do know that the door of my fridge, there have been a few leakages as you would have seen previously, so that will take me a little bit longer. But also there's quite a few condiments and stuff that I need to sort through. So 30 minutes, let's get the door of the fridge done. Yeah, it's gone everywhere. This shelf just didn't want to come out the door of the fridge. I kept bashing it and hoping I didn't break it, as obviously I had a new fridge last year. It was like, oh come on, just a simple job. All I want this to do is unclip, and it won't. I was just frustrated that that shelf just wouldn't come out, but I did eventually get it out of the fridge. Oh, shut up, fridge! I can't even get this out. What? Yeah. This shelf should remove, but it's not budging. Oh, yay! Woo! 5 minutes later. But yes, right. That was a big effort. Let's get it washed. And now it's time to sort out the dates on these. And now it's time to put everything back in the door of the fridge. So that's the 2 doors done. Now I just have to do this one. Yeah. Shut up, fridge! I'm guessing because I've never taken these shelves out the door of the fridge before, they are still quite stiff to get out the door of the fridge. Do I get bonus marks for my little pirouette? So, this is all mucky from tomato purees. That's still in date. But these I'm going to chuck because they are definitely leaking from somewhere. And they look like they've been opened. Let's wash it. I forgot to put those back in the fridge. that's now dry. I'm ready to go back in the fridge. And there you have it, one fridge all done with another 9 minutes 20 seconds left. I didn't really give you much of a view of the fridge after I did it, so here's a better view. I actually sent this video to my friend, so here's a better shot of how clean and tidy my fridge now looks. I actually filmed this video at the beginning of March sometime, so I have actually done a few more food shops since I filmed this video. Oh, and for the record, this is what I'm chucking from the fridge. I will clean and organise this freezer, but I won't do it on camera so I can do it a lot quicker without defrosting all my food. So in here I technically have a lot of veggies, but I have got a few meat bits in there. And obviously I've got my meat bits in there and a few soups or whatever. And then in here I've got a few more bits and pieces, like meats and bread stuff, but I've also got some chicken sticky skewers. So I'm just going to go through this quickly and do a meal plan. I won't film it because I really haven't got the time to film it because it is frozen in the freezer. But yeah, I need to sort out my meals for this week and I am getting very tired. I find I eat a lot better if I meal plan and meal prep. You may have seen me cover a few of these on my shorts videos on my YouTube channel. I would just like to take this moment to wish all my viewers a very happy Easter, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!